is that you have mental health. Take it away. Everybody has mental health. What did I say? So I'm going to do that exercise again. If you are here and you have mental health, show by raise of hands. The rest of you are refusing to participate. I don't know about you. But we all have mental health. Thank you. Last week, there was a video that made the rounds. A viral video where a young boy was being bullied in a secondary school. How many of us saw that video? Did you watch that video? Okay, so did you watch the video? Your mom told you about it. But when you think about it, how do you feel? Okay. So again, I would encourage us to please keep quiet. So there was this viral video where a young boy, allegedly at the millennial school, was being bullied by senior boys. I couldn't watch it past 10 seconds. It was boring. It was watching man's inhumanity to another man. And it was painful because it was from young people. I know some people watch that video and laugh. I know some people watch that video and were happy that it trended. But you see, this conversation is important because the mental health of young people like you is at risk. A lot of young people are in secondary schools, universities, and they're having a number of problems. They're having problems not because it is entirely your fault. They're having problems because a lot of us, a lot of parents have failed and continue to fail. But today, I want to remind you that regardless of whatever your parents may have done, please take the responsibility of your mental health into your own hands. Now, what is mental health? It's how you think, how you feel, how you imagine, how you perceive things, and how you behave. And your mental health affects everything about you. It affects how you enjoy your life as a person. It affects how you see yourself as a person. I woke up this morning and I didn't need anybody to tell me I did this. I just knew. Many of us are battling with issues like low self-esteem. Many of us are battling with loneliness because we think that we are weird and nobody wants to be our friend. Many of us are from homes where there might be violence. There's a lot of chaos world over. But please, today and every day, decide to make your own mental health a priority. And what are 5 simple things that you can do? Number 1, make your mental health a priority. Number 2, sleep well. Sleep is not for the weak. Sleep is for the human. We all need sleep. And as children, you even need more sleep than I do as an adult. Number 3, eat well. Eat to feed your body, not to fuel your emotions. So some people are, oh, I'm hungry, I will eat. Oh, I'm sad, I will eat. Oh, they just serve me breakfast, I will eat. Chocolate, ice cream, I will just keep eating to feel comfort. Eat in moderation and avoid a lot of junk. Number 4, please exercise. Move your body. There's a lot of awareness about educational attainment. A lot of parents are so concerned about, oh, my children, they must have all A's. I never had all A's in school. And today, I'm great at what I do. I'm not saying don't give your best to your work, but there's more to life than good grades. There are things like you should learn, like kindness. Be kind to the next person. Be compassionate. Understand that your words can hurt someone or heal them. And the last thing that I want to say The University of Ibadan is called the premier university because it was the first university in Nigeria. Medical students, 211 medical students, ended his own life because he failed an exam. I failed exams. I had to write receipts. Yes, I did not repeat a class. But imagine that boy thought that because he failed, his life was over. Failure is not final. It is what you do with failure that matters. And you can fail forward. I mean, how many times did Thomas Edison fail at making the light bulb before he eventually made it? Failure is a normal part of life. Don't let anybody make you think otherwise. The second story I will round up with. A 200-level student at the University of Lagos last week attempted suicide because he felt like it was a solution. Luckily, he didn't die. And part of why he didn't die was because we stepped in. I had to physically go there myself to see him. As I round up, a lot of young people these days don't have what we call resilience. Who knows what resilience is? You know? You can try. Tap down.
Resilience is the ability to keep moving forward even though things are hard.
Thank you very much. Please give him a round of applause. Resilience is the ability to keep moving forward even though things are hard. Things will be tough. I mean, look at the weather. It's not every time you wake up that it's bright and sunny. On some days it's cloudy. On some days it's stormy. And that's how life is. Some days will be better than others. But if there's one gift that you must have, please be resilient. Now I'm going to round up, but I'm going to ask us the 5 things that I spoke about. Number 1, what was the first thing I said? Make your mental health a priority. Number 2, sleep well.